welcome back, beautiful people. Oh, if you're new, thanks so much for coming. I appreciate you. So this video is a collaboration video with me and Wellness with Frugal Mama. It is the Mindful Souls. I don't know which number because nobody's told me, but this is my box for September. And if you could see all these other boxes, I've got lots going on, and we're almost at 2K, guys. So that means giveaway time. So I'm going to announce the 2K giveaway rules in this video. If you're interested, hit that subscribe button, like, and comment down below. There will be a secret word. I know for sure one member of the channel, the join button is down there if you're interested, will win, and another winner will be a subscriber. So that is one of the rules. All the other rules will be listed in the description box, so if you're curious and you want to be entered, you should read the rules, okay? Anyway, you're here for Mindful Souls. Catch that thumbnail. Okay, so this is a spiritual self-care, self-awareness, self-mindfulness. This is all about self to me, box. So open up the world of inner peace and self-love. See? Hashtag Mindful Souls, mindfulsouls.com. This box is not sponsored, so these are my own thoughts and opinions. I like the box. It's just energy vibes. You've got the universe, the sun in the focus, and just like that, you've opened a whole new world of possibilities. So as I said, this is a self-awareness, mindfulness, thoughtfulness, meditation, spirituality type box. Okay, so here's the pamphlet. I'm glad this is back. And if you've missed any of the Mindful Souls unboxings, I will leave this one and many other unboxings down in the unboxing category for playlists in case you're interested. Also, let me know in the comments, do you want a Mindful Souls playlist by itself? Okay, so your sacred space is where you can find yourself over and over again. That's Joseph Campbell. So this pamphlet does tell us what's in the box. Unfortunately, they don't give prices, so I can't give you prices. But the box itself is $39 and some change monthly. So go check that out if you're interested. I do want to let you know that if you get crystals or stones in any box, anywhere, from a store, online, whatever, rinse them off with some cool water for 10 to 20 minutes. And if it's alive water, like a river, stream, ocean, even better. You want to clear that energy that may have been held inside that crystal or stone or token, because sometimes they give you like little amulets or necklaces that have stones. Okay, so we do get an affirmation card with every box. This is ours. I do have a stack over here. So this is an affirmation for friends. Ooh, that is a good one. I attract only loving and uplifting people into my life. Isn't that the truth? Should be the truth for everybody. You don't want to have people who are not lifting you up and loving. And this is the sticker. New month, new beginning, new mindset, new focus, new start, new intentions, new results. That is super important because keeping with the same routines and habits will only give you the same results. So if you want to change something, change your routine, your habits, your behaviors, your mindset, your focus, your intentions, and you will get new results. That is a classic. Okay, so let's just dive in. This is what it's looking like. All right, first, ooh, this is cool. Ooh. So they do come in these little sachet baggy pouches, which I think is neat. This is going to be gorgeous. Ooh, look at all the colors. I see blue, I see green, some yellow, and I'm supposed to see purple. I can see it when it's not in the light, but just look at that. That is right. That is so cool. This is Ocean Agate Palm Stone. So you see, it does fit into your palm. The different color patterns of these lovely agate stones, or agate, will take you into a dreamy ocean shore, somewhere where waves crash gently and the sky is soothing. Blue agate palm stones are perfect for bringing more tranquility to your daily life. So if you want to carry the stone with you, meditate with them, or place them where you spend most of your time, you'll start reducing stress in no time. I like that a lot. Okay, and then we have some self-care here. This is something different I haven't seen. So this is an exfoliating body scrubber. I like these. I like these a lot. So it's a round body scrubber. Removes dull, dry, damaged skin, revealing the body's natural, healthy glow. So you can see it does have some texture. Oh, and it does, I don't know if you can see, but it has like, so you could fit your palm in there. So I do like that. That will be handy. And then looks like we have some incense by Galoka, Natural Jasmine. Ooh, ooh, that's really refreshing. So this is hand rolled using 100% natural materials. Galoka Natural or Nature's Jasmine incense is perfect blend of soft, sweet, earthy, and floral aroma. Yeah, so let's see. Also known as the flower of innocence, purity, beauty, new beginnings, and peace. Jasmine is often used to promote feelings of peace and relaxation. This sounds really awesome to start burning. Okay, let's get into our next baggie. And it feels very small here. So, oh, this is the green fluorite ring. How pretty is that? So you could tell this was like handmade. Look at that. So green fluorite is one of nature's finest creations with a delicate, soft, and extraordinary appearance. The crystal is combined with exquisite craftsmanship, and the result is a unique jewelry piece. Green fluorite will energize you and bring more positive or positivity, while compliments will become usual. Okay, it's super cute. Look at that. I think it's adorable. It does have an adjustment here. All right, don't forget that this is a collaboration. So go check out Wellness with Frugal Mama. I will leave her link down in the comment section. Go see what she got. She always gets something different. And I just like to see the variety, especially in a box. You know, you want to see variety. You don't want to keep getting the same things. And as far as the 2K giveaway, I'm going to need you to use the comment winning, W-I-N-N-I-N-G, in this video. Also, I will leave the other video in the comment section that you will need to use that keyword as well, and I will be checking. So good luck to those, and thanks for supporting the channel. Okay. This is what's next up, and this is pink Avatareen bracelet. This is super delicate and pretty. You can see the different hues of pink and peach. This, since 18th century, pink Avatareen was always about positive vibrations and opening the heart. This gentle bracelet will connect you to the heart chakra and help you spread love. Ooh, very nice. Okay, and our last item. Okay, this is interesting. Oh, all right. Ooh, ooh, super pretty. Look at this, it's a feather. Clear quartz bookmark. Awesome. So like if you wanted to bookmark something, it has like a little hook with your crystal. Oh my God, this is genius and so creative. So clear crystal, clear quartz is a universal crystal surrounded by countless mythologies, ancient practices, and folklore. I just love this. You will also uplift your concentration and memory, especially by using it as a bookmark. Take all the wisdom from the books with you. I think this is just so cute. Okay, guys, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. Typically it's 6 to 8, so it depends on the box. What do you think of the contents, the variety? Do you like this box? It's also great as a gift, though, I will say. Like, if you know somebody who's deep into their crystal, stones, spirituality, meditation, and all that good energy stuff, then maybe you should gift them a box. I'm sure they would love it. And for 40 bucks, like, really, that's a great gift. Especially since you get 6 to 8 items, right? I mean, who can beat that kind of bargain? And they will thank you. Okay, so mindfulness is a key to self-love, and that is not a lie. Oh, guys, I like this box, and we continue to do this collaboration because it is something different, and I especially like to offer variety and different things because we are all multifaceted human beings, and we offer a variety of things to one another, right? So if I can share you something that I find interesting and valuable, great. And you can pass it along to other people. So as always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new here and this is your first time. Thank you for sticking through the whole video. All the rules are in the description box and the comment section. Don't forget to check that out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.